Did you know that most of today's countries identify as a democracy? This tells us it's a form of government which appeals to a lot of people, regardless of where they're from. Maybe it makes you think about freedom, equality, or having a voice. The word itself comes from ancient Greek, demos meaning people, kratos meaning rule. So the people ruled the republic. But let's back up a bit. What exactly is a democracy, and what does it look like? Well, in a direct democracy, the citizens vote on every law in order to create a fair society. But what happens when you have 1,000 people voting? 1 million? What about a few 100 million? That's where representative democracy comes in. A group of people vote for a representative, who then votes on behalf of the group. So as a democracy expands, there are more and more groups of people electing representatives. To make sure the government doesn't become too powerful, laws and contracts are put into place. These things are really important because they protect people's rights. They also make the system more complicated, and over time, it becomes harder to get things done. A democratic system faces other challenges too. Many politicians will do whatever it takes to win. After all, the race to get elected is fierce. And even if you do get voted into office, generally you're not in there for very long before you're up for re-election. The citizens end up electing officials who are good at winning, but not necessarily at leading. Some politicians make promises they know will be hard to keep, causing some people to wonder, do these representatives really have our best interests at heart? As we've seen, the bigger a democracy gets, the more complicated the system becomes. Taking all of this into account, how can we play a part? What can we do to cut through the noise? As President Lincoln once said, a democracy is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. 2 simple steps you can take are to always vote for the things you want and to protest the things you don't. Grassroots campaigns don't start in office, but grow from the ground up. After all, democracy is about having a voice. At the end of the day, no system is perfect, but people from all over the world seem to agree that democracy is an ideal worth fighting for.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.